Hello, everyone.
Oh, hi.
Did you already start this?
No.
Okay. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19.
19, daughter, granddaughter.
Yes, we are on the way to the movies.
Yes.
Shawnee, what are we seeing?
SpongeBob.
We're seeing the new SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Yes. Very fun. I was asking Shawnee this morning what characters are all in the movie. And
Yes.
we listed out all the main ones.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
I hope they have some merch because I'm walking in purse first.
Shawnee loves, well, we all love to peruse the merch.
Yes.
But Shawnee especially usually gets something if they have something for the movie that we're seeing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's weird though, because sometimes I feel like the merch is a little bit delayed and they don't usually have it for the first day.
It's opening day.
Yeah.
But they've been showing this movie since Wednesday.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Like an early access?
Yeah.
Shawnee
I don't like that.
I'm sorry. Shawnee was giddy this morning leading up to this movie. I think he kind of tired himself out at this
I think
point.
so.
Because he's nice and
Fall
chill.
asleep during the movie now.
He usually falls asleep during most movies that we see, but it's okay.
Not most of it.
No, I said most movies.
Oh, okay. Because Wicked was a long movie, so
Yeah. But it was good.
I kept. He was like, Yeah.
But yeah, it doesn't matter what movie it is, he's probably gonna fall asleep.
Even if he is dying to see it.
Yeah. But we're excited to see. Feels like we're really in the holiday season.
Yay! We're getting everything done.
Finished up the majority of our present wrapping last night, which was good.
Those bags come in clutch.
They do. That wrapping would have taken days if we were using like paper.
Guys, if you're new, we have a whole Christmas wrapping system.
Yes.
We make fabric gift bags from reduced fabric, we buy
Like markdowns.
markdown fabric. Like we used to buy the fabric when it was marked down, and then you make it into bags the next year or even that year if it was cheap enough.
Mm-hmm.
And we just keep reusing the bags year after year. We have a whole bag of bags.
Yeah. And it's so fun too because
Memories.
you have memories, you have all these different fabrics that look so pretty together. And
It looks like country Christmas. Martha Stewart is probably biting her freaking lip
yeah,
because it looks so good under the tree.
it looks great. It's great for the environment and you don't have to spend money on wrapping stuff every year.
We don't throw out a big bag of paper at the end of Christmas morning.
No, the only paper we
love
use is like for the pets.
Because they like to tear into it.
Yeah. And same reason
Wait
that
here.
Sean and I
What?
use that for our nieces and nephews right now.
They like to tear
They like to
into
tear
it.
into it. But other than that, we don't really use paper.
You're
Outside of our family.
Like outside of our immediate family, we do. Or wait, yeah, sorry. We don't use it in our immediate
Right.
family except for the pets.
Yeah, sometimes, if there's somebody outside of the immediate family who can be trusted to return the bag or recycle it, we will give it out to them
Yeah.
and entrust it to them, for their prosperity. But most of the time, no, because we don't want to see it end up in the garbage.
No.
It's
All right.
really nice.
Yes. Well, we're just arriving now at the movies.
And it's good. It's not really pouring right now.
Yeah, it was pouring this morning. Oh my god.
Oh, we were so lucky we didn't get soaked.
Yeah, but we're getting
Hopefully
ready.
we get a spot close to the door.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
It's almost done.
All right, guys, we will check in after and let you know what we thought of the movie. Alrighty, we are fresh out of the movie.
Whoa, what a tale that we have to tell, though.
Okay, so the movie was great. It was very, very cute, very fun.
Guess who didn't sleep at all during the movie?
Well, none of us did, but Shandi did not sleep during the movie.
He was like,
Yeah, he was loving it.
the whole time.
Did you love the movie? Yes.
He
Who
had
was your
his-
favorite?
SpongeBob.
Oh.
He had his little popcorn. He had his little soda.
Well, let me explain. So we did get, they took away like the big merch like setup. They
Yeah.
only had like the drink and food stuff. So
wonder
Shawnee,
why.
I don't know, Shawnee splashed out a little bit. And he got the plushie with the popcorn bucket thing,
And
the little drink with the figurine on the top.
Yeah.
And then that came with a popcorn and soda.
You cannot pick your own plushie.
It's random. So he got Patrick, but I think he was happy with Patrick.
Yeah, Patrick was good.
Yeah.
He liked this bee thong thing that Patrick was wearing.
He was wearing the eye patch over
Yeah.
his bits.
Bits?
His bits. But also the little figurine that he got for his cup was SpongeBob.
Do starfish have bits?
I don't think so.
No.
But anyway, we'll show you up close all the stuff that he got later. But we go and we sit down in the theater and we're like, that's weird. Why aren't the previews playing?
Yeah.
Because by the time we got in there, it was already like maybe 10 past.
Plus, we were the only people.
The only people in there.
Which isn't that unusual because we usually
We go in the morning.
First showing.
Yeah. First showing of the day.
Because we're retired.
I wish. So anyway, nothing was going on. We were sitting there for a few minutes and I was like, should I like go ask them what's up?
Yes.
And we were downstairs, so I had to march my way up the stairs again. And I got my steps in this morning.
Yeah, you
But
certainly did.
I went and asked, I was like, is there something wrong? Because like there's nothing playing. And they were like,
where are children?
yeah, Shandi kept asking, like, what's going on? So he said that the projector was out for that one. Okay. I guess it slipped his mind. It's okay. But they did offer that we could either go to the 3D showing, that was half an hour.
Well, 15 minutes.
But yeah, by then it was like only starting a few minutes later. Or we could wait until like 12:45 to see like the regular laser like we usually do.
Right.
So we don't normally see 3D, but this time we're like, all right, well, let's do it.
I don't even know if they're going to charge us extra for the 3D, which they didn't.
They did
the
not.
right thing to do.
AMC, thank you. So we got to go see the 3D version.
They've come a long way with 3D.
It was cool. Yeah, we
I
don't
didn't get a headache or anything.
No, we don't usually see 3D, but this one I felt like was a good one for 3D.
It was smooth. It was seamless.
Yeah.
Like if you even took the glasses off and watched without it, it would have been perfectly fine.
Yeah. But because we saw the 3D, we also got posters and Shawnee got stickers. So that's fun. And yeah, there were only a handful of people in the theater.
I think
So
there was maybe 4 other people.
yeah,
Maybe 5.
I like when it's not super crowded because
And we still got really good seats.
yeah, we got to sit in our favorite seats.
We call them sitting in heaven because it's like a second story of seats and you can see over the whole theater.
Yeah, I love that.
And it is a great experience.
It is. So we had a good time.
Thanks, AMC.
Thank you. And now we're just gonna stop at the store real quick because we need bread. We need a
Ketchup.
few more, ketchup,
And gift tags.
a few more gift tags. So gonna get that done, and then we got work to do this afternoon.
Work.
Mm-hmm.
Donkey.
Just putting the finishing touches on my plushie.
Oh.
So cute.
I'm falling asleep.
Uh-oh.
My back hurts.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I've been doing too much sitting today.
Yeah.
I really need to lay down, like, on my stomach.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what really helps me.
Well,
See, someone else is asleep over there, too.
he had quite the day.
He did. I'm just glad everything worked out in the end.
Yeah, we had a good time.
We did. I'm uploading the crochet video right now on the Granny by Nature crochet channel. This is the wrap-up of the vlog.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as we wrap up, I'm going to edit this and start to upload this one.
Sounds good.
It's all coming together. The lantern just came on. Oh, I can just look at that for days.
It's gorgeous.
For days.
Absolutely beautiful.
It's burger night. You have D&D.
Yes, Sean and I are hosting D&D tonight.
I am
be fun.
falling asleep. Oh, I forgot to message that person on eBay and let them know that the Rudolph's not working.
Oh, right.
Mm-hmm.
You think you'll get like a partial refund or anything?
I should.
Yeah.
Because that's just not right.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Well, I wish you luck.
Thank you. I mean, it's worth a shot, right?
Yeah.
And let me find out who the birthday shout-outs are for.
Birthday shoutouts.
I believe there are birthday twins.
Okay. For this weekend?
Yes. And it is all going down
What day?
on Sunday.
Oh. Who
So-
we with?
First one, Colleen Sonnenfeld,
Colleen, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Colleen. And you are required to perform some math.
Okay.
But first, you must math it.
All right, what do you got?
If Colleen was 68 in 2019, how old is she now?
In 2019.
Yeah.
Wow, that was 6 years ago.
Yeah.
So...
Yep.
74?
Correct.
Wow, happy birthday, Colleen.
Happy 74th birthday, Colleen.
Yes. Wonderful.
We also have Freya. It's Freya's birthday.
Freya, happy birthday.
No further info.
Okay. No math.
So I hope the two of you are living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
What a fun time. This is Daddy and my time. It's your time too.
It is my time.
Because this is when I met Mark. And everything turned magical.
Aww.
So we
so
always...
many years ago.
43 years ago. Met.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
We tried to get married on the day that we met a year later, but we failed. Well, we didn't fail. My mother told me...
Your parents said no.
Don't ruin my Christmas.
Oh.
So I said, check please. And we got married on the 28th.
Of the following year.
Well, no.
No, okay. Oh, so you just wait till after Christmas.
Yeah.
Got it.
And I said, you should be happy about this. We waited until December because when my parents found out that we were planning on getting married, they tried to get rid of him.
I know. I've heard this story many times.
So they said, we will support the wedding if you wait like 5 months or whatever. So we waited, and my dad admitted to me that he thought it was not going to happen.
Oh, Gramps.
So...
I mean, in a way, I can't really blame them because you guys were, like, so young.
Yeah.
Like, if any of us said that we were getting married when we were, like, 18, you would have been like, no, you're not. So, I can't blame
Would I
them.
have, though? It depends.
Yeah, you would have.
I feel like it depends.
I think you would have been upset.
Even though I was 18?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think you would have been upset. I'm just saying.
I mean...
I'm saying I see where they're coming from.
Yeah.
But then again, you know, look how it turned out. But you don't know that at the time.
No. But Gramps thought the problem was going to just blow away. His problem was going to blow away. It wasn't my problem.
Yeah.
So, that's that.
History was made.
And here we are, wrapped up in multiple blankets and robes, and 43 years later.
Yep.
Wonderful. So, I want to thank everybody for watching. Oh, we're getting to the end of Vlogmas, except we're not, because I do Vlogmas until the end of December.
Oh my goodness.
So we're really only
Bonus in
a little
there.
bit more than halfway there.
Yeah.
So I hope everyone is enjoying. I mean, some days are pretty...
Some days there's not much going on, but
No.
there's not much we can do about that. We don't want to, like, make up fake stuff just for the video.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
That wouldn't be very genuine.
Yeah. This is basically just a vlog a day. We don't go out of our way too much to do any holiday stuff. It's just whatever.
Yeah. Basically.
Yeah. But thanks, everybody. We're going to be back on Monday. Whoa, can you believe it? I feel like I'm going to snap my fingers and it's going to be Monday all of a sudden.
Oh, don't say that. We need a little bit of weekend.
I need a lot of
We
bit
need
of
the
weekend.
calm before the storm.
I need a lot of weekend.
Yeah.
Give me a lot.
We have a fun weekend ahead.
We do. We have another family D&D session on Sunday.
Yay!
And we're potentially going to see the lights on Sunday.
Yes, hopefully we'll be seeing the holiday lights after.
Yeah, that would be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Since we both love them so much.
Yes.
All right, guys. Hang tight. We're almost there. You know, the big C. Christmas. We'll see you Monday, and until then, much love. Bye, everybody.